What if I told you that just a few drops of lemon juice in the soil could turn your dull, struggling plant into one that grows fresher, greener, and full of life? Today I'm going to show you a simple, nature-powered fix that can wake up lifeless soil and bring back the energy your plants crave. Take 1 liter of clean water. Into it, add a single spoon of baking soda. This simple ingredient works like a gentle cleanser, balancing soil conditions and creating a healthier environment for roots. Now comes the real spark of life. Squeeze in the juice of 1 fresh lemon. As soon as the citrus mixes in, it begins releasing natural acids that unlock hidden nutrients in the soil, making them easier for plants to absorb. Stir this mixture well until everything blends smoothly. Once ready, pour this solution directly onto the base of your plants. You'll notice over time that the soil feels refreshed, and your plants respond with greener leaves and stronger growth. It's a little gift from nature's kitchen that turns tired ground into a living foundation once again. So next time your soil feels lifeless, remember, sometimes the simplest remedies can bring the biggest transformations. Try this out and let your plants show you the magic.